LoweConex makes it simple to manage thousands of HVAC systems across multiple locations, maximizing energy savings, uptime, and asset life cycles. Heating and cooling is one of the biggest drivers of energy cost across large estates. But when every site runs different schedules, local settings drift, assets operate out of hours, and teams rely on manual dial-ins, energy waste becomes difficult to control. With increasing energy tariffs, that waste quickly hits the bottom line, reducing profitability and weakening return from every business location. LoweConex helps change that with Conex OS. Conex OS connects heating and cooling systems, building management systems, and IoT devices into one centralized platform, giving teams live visibility of temperature, humidity, airflow, system status, and control behavior across the estate. Where two-way control is enabled, Conex OS can remotely adjust set points, modes, and operating schedules across connected sites, reducing manual intervention and keeping ambient performance optimized at scale. From there, Conex OS applies automated schedules and dynamic control strategies that align heating and cooling operations to real business requirements. That means assets can be scheduled around trading hours, occupancy patterns, seasonal demand, and changing weather conditions in every single site, device, and control panel across the entire business portfolio. Used in thousands of buildings across the globe, Conex OS delivers consistent savings of up to 30% over the contract lifetime, providing real, tangible ROI while supporting sustainability ambitions. Instead of reacting to rising bills, comfort complaints, or inefficient runtime, FM and energy teams can continuously identify waste, enforce smarter control, and verify savings through live performance data. With LoweConex HVAC monitoring and control, teams can reduce energy waste, improve comfort, protect margin, and unlock significant cash savings across the estate, with highly attractive payback periods that help maximize profitability. See how you could optimize heating and cooling performance across your estate. Contact us today for a free trial or demo.